Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Womoke or womoke.com. So if you don't know what this site is, it is basically a site that sells clothing or apparel that claims to have huge discounts. So as you can see right here, they have a lot of clothes for women and men alike. So if you're wondering if this site is a scam, I'm just gonna say it outright, it is a scam. Okay, so please don't order from this website. So if you actually head on over here to malwaretips.com, they actually say that this website has been slammed as unsafe shopping destination. So if you go on over here, we see the site. As you can see, it's the same. And if you scroll down here, they actually go over how the Womoke or Womoke scam store operates. So number one is they operate through social media advertising. Then number two, the illusion of a real e-commerce store. Then fake order confirmations, failure to deliver ordered items, and refusal to issue refunds, and rinse and repeat. Basically, they just do it over and over again with new customers, and they're part of the scam network, copied legal pages, zero contact information, and I bet, as you can see, if I don't know if you can notice, but this picture is very low quality. If you actually zoom on over here, no, I don't think I can zoom. But if you actually look closely, it is actually very low quality. As you can see, if you zoom in right here, it's very low quality. Why would they have low quality pictures if they were legit? If they were the ones selling it, that means this picture has just been copied right here. They've been right-clicked and just copy image, and they just paste it here on their website. So please do not fall for this scam. They're very obviously a scam, and it is too good to be true for the price that they have. And if you actually have not heard on over here to Scam Advisor, they're rated 1 out of 100. And yeah, that is basically saying a lot, and they're a scam. So please don't order or enter in your information in this website. They're basically a scam. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.